Dashboard. For an overview of your printer's usage, on the top menu, click Dashboard. On this page, you can find Total Printing Time. This equals the total hours of printing on your printer across all print jobs. Prints represent the total number of jobs printed. Printing is the number of jobs currently being printed. In queue are projects waiting in queue. Errors are the number of jobs with a print error. Materials used, kilograms, represents how much filament has been used in kilograms. Also on this page, you can find a summary of recent print jobs. By clicking the Show Slicer Settings icon, you can access the print settings used for each print job. This may help you better understand if any improvements can be made. Click on Show in Toolpath Viewer icon to see the build preview. Hover over the play icon on the left side of the project's name to watch the printing stop-motion video. To transfer all print jobs to a spreadsheet, select All Projects and press Ctrl+C, then open an Excel spreadsheet and press Ctrl+V. Just after that, a small icon will pop up. Select Match Destination Formatting. Sharing printer access. On the top menu, select Printers to access all printers shared or assigned by you as the owner. On your printer, click the Share button and fill in the email of the person that you want to share your printer with and select the type of permission. Can Print gives full access. The person will be able to change printer settings, add printer notes, and access printer log. Can Queue gives limited access. The person will be able to access printer settings only. Enter the number of print jobs this person can send to this printer, then click Share. Management, Status, and Customization. On the top menu, click Printers. By clicking Tools, then Printer Settings, you will be able to change the printer name, enable or disable the camera, track remaining filament, and access printer's ID. Change printer's notes by directly clicking on the note or go to Tools, then Printer Notes, and add a new one to easily identify the printer. To check the temperature inside the printer, hover over the temperature icons. The first one shows the extruder, and next to it, the heated bed temperatures. There's also status and warning tags. Offline and idle shows if the printer is ready and connected. Printer model is your Dremel printer model. Door open is a warning that the printer's door is open and it will not print until the door is closed. Bed is not clear is a warning that there's an object on the heated bed. Remove the printed model from the build plate before printing a new one. Click Live View to watch your printer's heated bed live. Or go to the top menu and click Live View to watch all printers that you manage with camera access live at the same time. File and Project Sharing. On the top menu, go to My Files. To share a file, click the three dots below Extra and then click the blue icon. Fill in the email of the person you want to share your file with and enter the number of print jobs this person can send to this printer.